Ayubowan and welcome back to my channel Journey of Life. Welcome back to yet another delicious video. Thank you all my viewers who follow me and thank you for my new viewers. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It means a lot to me. Now shall we go to the video? Today's video is about a fruit with a hard shell. This is called wood apple. They sell wood apple juice any juice shops in Sri Lanka. If you have tried this wood apple juice anywhere in any part of the world, please let us know in comment section. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about this, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I kind of lost you guys there. This is a super simple recipe. All you need is sugar, wood apple, a little bit of salt, and here I am adding coconut milk, the first squeeze and the second squeeze. So you can use fresh milk maybe, still the same, and then to make it more sweeter you can add ice cream. And I'm going to tell you another interesting story, which is this is the first time even I'm trying wood apple. Yes guys, this is the first time. I don't know, I don't like this texture and the smell and the taste of this wood apple. I kind of more into sweet fruit juices like watermelons, mango juice, and then passion fruit juice is one of my favorite juice. But you and I are not the same, so you should try it and let me know if you like it or not. So the other thing I forgot to mention is about the shell. Wood apple has a strong shell, so this is how you crack the shell. These are few methods to crack this hard shell, you know. So have you cracked a coconut? So you can crack it in that way, or you can hit the wood apple on a hard surface. That way you can crack the shell. So then after that you know what to do. Well, thank you very much you guys for watching my videos always, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and see you guys with another video. Have a good day, have a good night. Bye bye guys, see you, take care, God bless, ciao. I can't believe that I drank all of the wood apple juice. So if I can do it, you can do it. So